soft, spongy, cloud-like. This is Japanese cheesecake, and today we're baking it in a way you've probably never tried before. A big thank you to Overmont for sponsoring this video. We're using their cast iron bread oven, and it's the secret to that pillowy texture. Let's get baking! Let's start with the base. Into a large bowl, add your cream cheese, butter, egg yolks, and milk. Now the sugar, salt, flour, cornstarch, cream of tartar, and that splash of vanilla. Whisk it all together until it's smooth. Take your time here. This is the heart of your cheesecake. Now for the magic. Whip your egg whites with a little sugar until they form soft, fluffy peaks. See that? That's your lift. That's what makes this cake so light. Fold them into your base slowly and gently. We want to keep all that air inside. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your Overmont cast iron bread oven with parchment paper. Now here's a fun trick. Set a small metal bowl right in the middle and pour your batter in, working gently around it. Fill the bowl with hot water. That steam is what keeps our cheesecake soft and moist. Pop the dome lid on and slide it into the oven. Bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Then lift the lid and bake for just 5 more minutes to give the top a beautiful golden color. And look at that. Let it cool completely before slicing. Soft, sweet, and just a little tangy. This is everything a Japanese cheesecake should be. Thanks again to Overmont for making this so easy. If you love this, hit that like button and subscribe for more cozy recipes. Now grab a fork and enjoy every bite. Thanks for watching. Bye!